In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in GoHighLevel. Start on your sub-account dashboard. This is the workspace for a specific brand or client, and it's where you'll manage pages and funnels for that account. From here, open the Sites section in the left menu. Sites is the home for both websites and sales funnels, so everything you need for your pages lives there. Choose Sales Funnels for this walkthrough. If you're building on a website instead, don't worry. The pop-up feature works the same way there, so you can follow along exactly. Open the specific step where you want the pop-up to appear. I'm using an order form page in this example because pop-ups can boost conversions by highlighting an offer or answering last-minute objections, but any funnel step or website page will work. In the editor, select Create from Blank. Starting with a blank canvas gives you full control over the layout, design, and messaging without removing elements later. Once the builder loads, open Pop-up Settings. This panel controls whether a pop-up is enabled on the page and how it behaves. It's the command center for the overlay you're about to design. Click Create New Pop-up. A pop-up is a small on-page overlay designed to grab attention at the right moment. Great for limited-time promotions, newsletter signups, lead magnets, policy notices, or quick reminders. Done well, it focuses the visitor without sending them to a new page. Now click Add to insert your first element into the pop-up. You can build out content just like a normal section, but keep it concise so it feels helpful, not intrusive. For this example, drag a headline element onto the pop-up canvas. A clear, high-contrast headline sets the tone and communicates value instantly. Align it with your brand style and make sure it's readable on both desktop and mobile. Type your pop-up message. A pop-up message is the text visitors see inside the overlay. Keep it short, benefit-focused, and action-oriented. For instance, lead with the value, then prompt the action. Get 10% off today. Enter your email to unlock the discount. Avoid long paragraphs, maintain strong color contrast, and include a visible close button so users feel in control. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Publish. Publishing applies your changes to the page so you can test them live. After publishing, preview the page to confirm the pop-up's timing, size, and placement, and make quick adjustments in pop-up settings if needed to ensure a smooth, mobile-friendly experience. That's it! Your GoHighLevel pop-up is ready to engage visitors and capture more conversions. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.